Hi, I'm John. I'm here with Nick from Rockport. Nick, great to meet you. So,
Great to
Nick,
meet you too.
what are we seeing right here?
Yeah, so this is a 360 inspection. How it starts is, the parts get loaded here, and then this robot will see the 2D coordinate transformation on this camera. It will then place it into the inspection, which these cameras will then get a 360 inspection of the part, of the top section. The second robot will then show the bottom section, and then we'll get a pass or reject based on our requirements.
Oh, that's so cool.
So
That's really
this,
interesting.
yeah, this camera does some cool stuff. It uses some deep learning AI to basically, we teach it a lot of images, cap, no cap, and plunger, no plunger, just simple stuff like that.
Right.
And it learns and is able to interpret from future data that we give it, basically where it thinks these parts go.
What's your background in? Where'd you study and how did you get here?
Yeah, so I studied mechanical engineering. I got fortunate enough. I was working at a winery,
Oh, yeah?
and the owner of the winery knew my now boss,
Oh,
and
wow.
he knew I did robotics and stuff like that, and so I got introduced that way. It was
That's
pretty
incredible.
fortunate.
I mean, you're obviously extremely smart, so it's very fortunate they found you because I mean, what we heard from Roger in a prior video, Nick is absolutely an MVP All-Star. So very smart guy. Don't take him away, but he's a very smart guy.
Thank you for that.
That's
Yeah.
awesome. And so, how do you like the company? What are your thoughts?
I love that I get to do just like so much different stuff. Like I get to work with software, robotics. I get to do a bit of design here and there. I get to, I've written some software. I get to play with electronics, all kinds of stuff. The world of robotics is really fun.
So your background, like when did you start working with robotics? Was it high school? Was it just in college?
Actually, yeah, high school. I started doing, I think it was, Vex Robotics. And then, that kind of introduced me to just maybe like I would be passionate about this field. And so I liked math. I went into mechanical engineering and I wanted to keep doing stuff with robots. So I kept doing projects with robots. And then eventually I ended up here.
That's really cool. Okay, so last thing for you is any advice for new grads who can work at Rockport or a similar company?
Yeah.
And the caveat that like we know again from Roger, you're a really big like hobbyist. You do a lot of things on the side. So like, how do you advise new guys to find good products to work on, good way to build your portfolio so you're really going to stand out to employers?
Yeah, I would say staying curious. Like just if you're interested in something, like pushing your boundaries. Don't think anything's like oh maybe I'm not smart enough to try doing this. Like when I was first getting into electronics, I'm like, oh, I'm not really like an electrical engineer. I don't know if I can do this. Let me start. I started playing around with Arduino, stuff like that. And you learn a lot. You go through YouTube, other resources like that, and if you have like some cool ideas, try and make them, try and build them.
That's awesome. Nick, it was a pleasure. Great meeting you.
It was great meeting you.
Bye.